Yes, good morning, students. In human reproduction, fertilization and implantation have already taught previously. Today, we discuss about pregnancy and embryonic development. During implantation, this finger-like stroke projections appear on the trophoblast called chorionic villi. This chorionic villi, which are surrounded by this uterine wall tissue and maternal blood, which become interdigited with each other and jointly form structural and functional unit between developing embryo and the maternal body. This structure called placenta. The placenta is connected to the embryo through this umbilical cord, which helps in the transportation of substances from maternal endocrine tissue, maternal parts, and also the excretory products formed by embryo are given out from the embryo by this placenta. Placenta also act as endocrine tissue and produces several hormones like human chorionic gonadotropin, HCG, human placental lactogen, HPL, estrogen, progestagens, etc. In the later phase of pregnancy, a hormone called relaxin is secreted by the ovary and make ready of mammary glands for lactation, means producing milk. During pregnancy, the level of hormones like HCG, HPL, relaxin, estrogen, progestagen, cortisol, prolactin, thyroxine, etc. are increased several folds in the maternal blood, which are essential for supporting the fetal growth, metabolic changes in the mother, and the maintenance of pregnancy. Now, the embryonic development. After implantation, the inner cell mass, means this embryo, develop differentiated into outer layer, ectoderm, middle layer, mesoderm, and inner layer, endoderm. These three layers give rise to all tissues and organs in adult. The inner cell mass, give rise to all tissues and organ, and this inner cell mass contains certain cells called stem cells. These stem cells have the potential to give rise to all the tissues and organs. In human beings, in 1 month of pregnancy, after 1 month of pregnancy, the embryo height is formed, which may be noticed by listening to the heart sound carefully through the stethoscope. During second month, the fetus develops limbs and digits, and during third month, the major organ systems are formed. For example, the limbs and external genital organs are well developed. During the fifth month, the first movements of the fetus and appearance of hair on the head are usually observed. During sixth month, the body is covered with fine hair, eyelids separate, and eyelashes are formed. By the end of seventh month, all the internal and external body formation is completed. And after seventh month, growth and maturation of fetus takes place, and by the end of 9 months of pregnancy, the fetus is fully developed and is ready for delivery.